When solving problems with multiple operations, we follow the PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule. In some countries, this is called BODMAS. First, perform the operations inside the grouping symbols like parentheses, brackets, and braces, starting with the innermost grouping. Second, evaluate any exponents. Third, perform division and multiplication from left to right, whichever comes first, because they have equal priority. Finally, perform addition and subtraction from left to right, whichever comes first, because they also have equal priority. Okay, now let's solve this problem. In this problem, there is no grouping symbol and exponent. So here, we will multiply first because in the rule, division and multiplication must be performed from left to right, whichever comes first. And since multiplication comes first, so we will multiply 5 and 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. Okay, so the problem becomes 3 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 4. Here, we will perform division. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Okay, the remaining operations are addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction, we need to perform from left to right. And since addition comes first, so we need to add first. Okay, 3 plus 15 equals 18. Last, subtract 18 minus 4. The answer is 14. Okay, now let's solve this problem. Here, there are grouping symbols and exponent. And in GEMDAS rule, we need to perform first the operations inside the grouping symbols, starting with the innermost grouping. So let's subtract 30 minus 4 equals 26. Okay, let's rewrite the problem. There is still a grouping symbol, so we need to perform again the operation inside the grouping symbol. So let's divide. 26 divided by 2 equals 13. Next is to evaluate the number with exponent. 3 to the second power or 3 squared is 9. The exponent 2 means we need to multiply the base 3 by itself twice. Okay, there are two operations left, addition and multiplication. Of course, we need to multiply first before adding. Okay, 9 times 2 equals 18. Last is to add 13 plus 18 equals 31. So the answer is 31.